Okay, so today's question comes from Karen on YouTube, and she's asking me, should I get a business name before setting up my Amazon account? So thanks for watching this channel, Starting Up, all about sharing tips for selling online, videos every Monday and Thursday, and then daily question and answer videos like this every day. Make sure to subscribe. Do you need a legal business name to start selling on Amazon? So there's two considerations here: legal requirements and then Amazon, I guess, terms and conditions. So first off, legal requirements. So do you need a legally registered business name to sell products online? No, you don't. So I'm in the UK, and in the UK here, we've got two options for registering a business. I can register as a sole trader, where I am, the merchant, the business is me. Or I can make an incorporated company, a limited company, where I legally register the business and give it a formal business name. But if you're just a sole trader, you can trade on Amazon by being a sole trader. You don't have to be a limited company where you've paid for a business name and you paid to be on the the legal register of companies. You can sell on Amazon, on eBay, and on all those things by being a sole trader. And if you're a sole trader, you don't technically have a legal business name that you've registered with your local government. But it doesn't stop you from being able to sell online. So legally, no, you can sell as yourself. So I'd be selling under the name Greg Preece as Greg Preece as a sole trader. That's completely fine. If you have a limited company with a business name, that's great as well. You can sell with that, but you don't need that limited business, that name, to be able to sell online and make products for yourself, whether it's on Amazon, Shopify, whatever you're doing online to make an online income. Now, Amazon, do you need to use a legally registered business name to be able to sell on Amazon? As far as I'm aware, I don't believe you do. I only really have used the Amazon merch program, so I'm not a Amazon FBA seller, or I don't have a seller central account and sell directly through Amazon. I sell using Amazon merch, which is a program Amazon has set up for print-on-demand sellers, so t-shirt, hoodies, sweatshirts. I upload designs to Amazon and they list my designs on the Amazon marketplace for me, and then when they get an order, they print the t-shirt or the hoodie and send that to the customer on my behalf. But when I'm doing my listings, so I've done my designs and I'm creating my t-shirt or my hoodie listings, I have to type in a business name into my listing for my listing to appear under. Like I said, I'm a sole trader, so I don't have a legal business name with the UK government, or if you're a US seller, a US legal business name, but I can still type in business names in Amazon and use Amazon merch to sell online. And I actually change my brand name, my company name, with my different listings depending on the topic I'm focusing on, the category I'm targeting with my listings. So you don't have to use your legally purchased business name to list your Amazon clothing and t-shirt using Amazon merch. You can change it on the fly to get a better optimization and a better response from your customer depending on the type of shirts that you're selling or the type of clothing. So no, you don't have to have a business name to be able to sell online, whether it's on Amazon, Shopify, anything. And also you don't have to use your legally registered business name as your brand name when you register to sell on Amazon. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comments box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.